Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one's a selenite gray metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. We've got front and rear LED daytime running lights. For wheels we've got 18-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black MBTEX interior, panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got a trailer hitch, GLC 300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a set of brand new floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. Coming alongside here, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, a burl walnut wood trim, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. We've got steering wheel controls. This one also does come with smartphone integration, which is going to give you Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Just go ahead and start it up. We've got a rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for our media display, cup holders, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns, some more buttons for our infotainment center. This GLC has 9,706 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC, check out feldmanimports.com.